think more than anything, I'm really proud to get to be a part of Cessna and of your family. You guys have really welcomed our race team in, and we're really proud to get to represent Cessna every weekend on the NASCAR schedule. Excited to be here today. Excited to fly home in a Citation 10. The story that I tell everyone about the races is that we race every single weekend on the racetrack, and then all the drivers and the crew members, we get in our rental cars and we race to the airport, and then when we get to the airport, we race on airplanes home. And now that I'll be on a Citation 10, I'll get to be the first one home every weekend, and that is. Thank you guys. I can't wait to see everything that's in here, and again, just glad to be a part of all this. So thank you guys.